morning, Pitu. How are you this morning? I hope you are still happy and still spiritful, ya. Now, today, Mr. Aldo will explain about word problem. Who is still remember what we have to do first when we see word problem question? The step of answering the word problem is the first we have to circle the clue, and then after that we have to make the bar. After make the bar, what? Correct, make the way, and the last one is make the answer or the conclusion. Now, maybe some of you still confused, Mister. What is the clue? Nah, the clue is everything that we can use to answer the word problem. But the clue that you have to pay attention is, the first one is the number that you have on the question and the word to find out what bar that we have to use. Okay. Now, let's find out what is the word that we can use to find out what bar that we have to use to answer the word problem. Now, let's see if the clue is all together. So, we have to use simple bar. Now, how to make simple bar? It's easy because it's simple bar. You only have to make two boxes. Don't forget to make the bar must be tidy. So you have to make straight boxes from here, and then another boxes in here. Don't forget to make the curve. Nah, this is the example of simple bar. Nah, next one, if the clue is buy, give, and many more, so we have to use adding on bar. Nah, how to make adding on bar? It's a little bit different, ya, with the simple bar. To make adding on bar is, don't forget, must be straight line with the word. Make the first box first, and then make the dot box beside the first boxes, and then don't forget you have to make the last box. Nah, be careful for adding on bar because it's adding on, the arrow must pointed to down. Don't forget the curve for the each bar. And that is the example of adding on bar. Next one, if the clue is sell, take, and left, and etc. So, if you see this clue, we have to use taking away bar. Nah, if taking away bar is little bit same with adding on bar, but the difference is the arrow. Nah, first we have to make the bar first. Yeah, must be tidy, ya. Straight line with the words, and then make the first boxes, and then the dot box, and then make the last box. Don't forget, if the adding on bar is the arrow pointed to down, if taking away, the arrow pointed to correct, pointed to up. And then don't forget, ya, the curve one, and the curve for the total, and the last curve. That is the example of taking away bar. Nah, the last bar for today is, if you see the clue more, less, fewer, taller, bigger, smaller, and any other comparing words, we have to use comparing bar. Nah, for comparing bar, it's little bit different with the other 3 bar ya. To make the comparing bar, you have to make the straight line first. Don't forget ya, must be straight with the question, so it will be tidy. And then make the longer bar, and then make the shorter bar. Nah, don't forget, there is beside longer on shorter bar, we have the gap. This is the gap. Must be straight ya with the other box. Then, as usual, the curve for the longest bar, the curve for the shortest bar, and the curve for the gap. Done. That is the example of comparing bar.